Hey, it's September 9th, 1988, and we're all folding pterodactyls. We've only been working now for an hour, and nobody's past step 13, are you?
Fold down.
I think
Fold
I'm
down
on
flat corners on it.
15 and 16.
And it's for 5 and 6 year olds.
I get.
How far are you, Brenda?
14.
Put it down this way.
Ooh, I'm doing good. I still got, I got 23 all together.
Like flaps or
Fold
something.
down flat corner on it.
She looks like she's got rabbit ears.
Do we get something? Do we get something?
I made a rabbit. Do I get something for that?
Do we
You
get
got
something?
waited on.
Do we get something for being the first one to figure it out?
You get to have yours made first.
Do we get a free soda? Oh, okay, that's
You know what that is? Joke with them, don't you? What they did before?
Yeah.
Remember we met them up there and they all went in the bathroom and I didn't?
He wasn't with us.
I know what I said. Remember when I met them up there?
That'll make me sense.
Oh, I got it.
Oh, yours looks better than mine. What's mine doing wrong?
Oh, okay.
I won't watch it.
He wants everybody to work for their own.
Go in the other room and
I ain't
finish.
heard no O's out of Donna over there yet.
Donnie, have you figured that M and N out?
No? Okay, where's your head?
Well, I don't know what she's made.
Time. Just give me time.
Time!
Oh my God.
How'd you get that M and N or ever what that is? Which one's flap one?
Where do you get the head out? Where's the head?
What's flap one?
Yep, when I pushed it.
Take flap one and
Tail line T.
form
The
it
tail
from
line T,
point
then
M
tail
to
line
N.
U. Where's tail line U?
Oh, I think.
What?
Well, it says tail line T and tail line U. I got tail line T, but I can't find tail line U. Oh, okay.
Well, I'm totally.
He's got 4 tail line T's. Oh, here's tail line U.
It's an hour and a half, almost 2 hours later.
Oh, if I enter.
Donna, show your bird.
I took mine out.
This is hard.
Okay, quit laughing, Brenda. Where's yours?
I took mine out. I messed mine up.
Now,
Yeah, you almost
One
did.
wing's working.
what's the tip head?
Oh, I get the other wing working.